Hello traders and welcome to our live trading session video. It's Stu Naopan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on a live trade over here. This is our intraday trade which relates to this one over here. And this is a position trade that we've been showing you over the past few weeks on the dollar Swiss based on the daily and weekly time frame correlation. So let's just focus on the cable trade for now. So this is more of side income generating strategy, just to show you an example, just only on one currency pair, and you can expand that onto many more instruments if you wish to. The whole basis of this concept is just based on stretch and range, which was popularized by Toby Crable back in the 1970s, 1980s on opening range breakout, which we have published a lot of videos on as well. So what are we doing on this trade as of today? As we've always done, we've put a target for the percentage range of the ATR based on the daily time frame here. So we're using time frame correlation and on bar formations over here. And also we have looked at also entering at a critical level over here on the low of this bar after it's retraced for a shock in the market and to remove stops as well, and the stop being here because since this bar has taken out stops on the buy side, then we are looking at if it does come back further down, it shouldn't look back and it should go further straight. That's what we have at the moment, but do remember that the trade is not over yet until we get to the target and until we hit our stop. So trade management is very critical. So we should never look always at the upside. We should only look at the downside. Okay, so that's what we should be looking at. So that's the trade for today. I will leave you guys with it. If there are any other trade updates, we will keep you updated on it. And it has been about 2-3 hours to get towards this target. So at that point, what we have done with this particular trade, we have actually closed out the trade based on its momentum and its reversal signs. We might be right or wrong on this, but that doesn't matter. Remember that you just keep on having your losses small so that you wait for the big runs, the clean runs, and then you make your money and push your equity curve higher. As you can see now, the trade progression of this, just a quick recap for you guys. This is where we entered on the low of this green bar, which is actually a primary pattern for us. And in terms of the stop loss was for the red line here. And so we didn't get entered on this bar, so of course we're not stopped out. And you can see that the bar that entered us was this one here. And after that, we just do a simple MS1 trail. Basically, that means the high of every bar. As you can see, then we trailed it all the way from here, ISL, to here. And then after that, on the next bar, you can see that it hit the target. There was no need to trail. Okay, so that's on this trade. So do reflect on this and see how you can cross transfer some of these principles that we are doing on our intraday systems. For those of you who want to learn on a very systematic way, you can look at our video courses. There's two main types I would recommend. For beginners / intermediate traders who have been trading for 3-5 years, start off with the Trader Starter Pack. It's a 5-day video course. It's totally free. Name, email address, and phone number, and you get it. For the optional live trading updates on that. In terms of Trade Like a Master, this is more intermediate professional content, really good high quality content over here. Again, you put your name, email address, you can get that delivered to your inbox. Any other questions that you have for us, of course, feel free to get in contact with us. As we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.